what's good, what's popping, what's up, guys? This is actually a collaboration with and sponsored by Yeswigs. So we'll be talking about everything about this hair, from installation to plucking to baby hairs to all the tea about this wig. But before I continue, almost at 500 freaking subscribers, guys. Like, I'm so excited, and it actually came to me that I've never expressed my love or really appreciated you guys on any of my videos, and I just want to tell you guys that I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support, the DMs, the comments, and the likes. Like, that stuff literally keeps me going. So before we jump into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first things first about this wig, it's a 14-inch lace wig, deep wave lace wig with a closure. It arrived last week, so I first started by washing and conditioning it because I just wash all the wigs I get before I use them, and just to get rid of that packaging type of smell and to just make it look more natural. The products I used to wash the hair in the description box, but I actually did not comb the hair while I was washing it because I allowed the curls to spring back while it was drying. So after that was all done and finished, I let the wig air dry. Not in the sun, I just let it air dry, like in the shade, and then I used tweezers to just pluck like the parting. It's a middle part, so I just plucked there. Since it's a closure, I didn't really pluck the hairline because like the lace kind of ends somewhere here. And then I used this foundation by Black Up. I'm not sure what shade it is, but then it's just like a little bit lighter than me, and this brush here to just tint the lace because it was white, like like white. So I wanted it to like blend with my skin color, so I just blend it all the way down, even to the excess lace. Since the wig didn't come with a bald cap, I actually didn't use a bald cap when installing this wig or just putting it on. I just put it on over my dookie braids, and I actually used the L'Oreal indestructible glue. And guys, this stuff is like the holy grail. Like, you can go to Gold Reef City if you have used this to like glue your wig down, because it literally doesn't lift or anything like that. I then used a wide tooth comb, a spray bottle with like hot water, well, not hot, but then like lukewarm water, and the eco styling gel to just like make sure everything is laid and neat, and like to run through the curls. I feel like when washing, like, I really like this hair. Overall opinion is I really like this hair and the wave and everything, but I feel like when washing it, I kind of like messed with the waves. However, they're still popping and everything, but like I kind of messed with the waves. So what I did was I just sprayed some water and then went in with this eco styling gel. So as far as the baby hairs or the edges are concerned, I actually did not sleek my edges down because like I said, this is a closure. Like, it has a closure, meaning the hair doesn't, like, it's not an ear to ear lace frontal. So it was kind of difficult for me to like start sleeking the hair down if the lace doesn't go all the way there. But nonetheless, it still looks so natural because of the foundation tricks. So like, this literally looks like it's coming from my scalp, and looks like I've got some relaxed perm type of thing going on, which is actually kind of pretty. It makes me miss my relaxed hair. But all in all, I'm very impressed with this wig. I love it. Like, I've never ever actually rocked bobs before, so this is actually a new look. And if you want this wig, you can go to their website. I'll link it down below, www.yeswigs.com, and their Instagram, I don't know why I'm clapping, but then their Instagram page is actually just Yeswigs. Very reliable, very nice people, and I would really recommend getting your hair from there. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and once again, I'm so excited to be like 2 subscribers away from 500 subscribers, and I love you guys so much. Until next time, guys.